Welcome back. We are on the second hand of the 2, 4, 6, 8 section. So first off, we're looking for a pair of flowers, then a Kong of 2s in one suit, a Kong of 4s in a separate suit, and then in that third suit, we're looking for another Kong, and this time of 6s. The plus and the equals do not have tiles. That is just the mathematical equation for this particular hand. So the flowers aren't part of that math equation. But if you say 2,222 plus 4,444, it equals 6,666. We also have a separate option in this particular hand. You can either do it this, or you can be looking for a pair of flowers. Again, flowers don't have a suit. You'll have a suit of 2s. That's a Kong of 2s, plus a Kong of 6s equals a Kong of 8s. And those are all separate suits because they're all different colors. So the next thing that's really important is to look at your parentheses. And in this case, it doesn't give us any extra information. It just tells us that there's 3 different suits, but we can tell that by the colors. So here's an example. If you didn't have any jokers, you actually drew all these cards, or tiles, which would be great. So we have our pair of flowers in, let's see, I've got cracks here for my 2s. I've got, dots here for my 4s, and then I've got my BAMs for my 6s. Example of this particular one, if I pull out my 4s and I move my 6s over, that means I would need a Kong of 8s to satisfy that one. Notice it really doesn't matter which suit I use for which color. It's just that they all are the same. These are flowers, so I wouldn't be able to replace jokers in here, but because these are Kongs, I can use jokers anywhere I want in them. All right, I could end up with several jokers in there if I was lucky enough to draw that many. So I hope this helps. As usual, I would absolutely love to see what examples you have down in the comments. And yeah, hopefully you get a Mahjong today. Have a great day.